Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my family recipe for green seasoning. Now green seasoning is used in so many Caribbean dishes. I use it all the time to season my meats. You're going to need some celery, thyme, parsley, garlic, hot pepper, and green onions. I've listed all of the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. So the first thing that I'm going to do is of course wash all of my vegetables. After washing my vegetables, I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to chop my celery, parsley, green onions, and thyme. What's really annoying about the thyme though is that you have to separate the thyme from the stem, which can be super tedious, but I use my nails like this to pull it off from the stem. Here we have 24 cloves of garlic, 1 hot pepper, and some broadleaf thyme from our garden that we had in the freezer, and I'm going to add this into the seasoning as well. So once you have your blender out, you're going to add all of the veggies into it, and you're then going to add a 1/4 cup of water. I used regular temperatured water. I added everything except my thyme because as you can see the blender was pretty full. So I'm going to give that a blend and use my wooden spoon to help push down the ingredients. After this, I'm going to add my thyme in and continue the blending process until I feel like all of the ingredients have been properly blended together. Once it's done, you'll have a nice fresh batch of green seasoning to use in your cooking. I have linked down below some videos that I have used green seasoning in so you can check out exactly how it can be used in your cooking as well. Thanks so much for watching. This is a very simple seasoning to make and I hope you try it out. Let me know how it goes in the comments below and don't forget to check out some of my other videos, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.